In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, I'll guide you through each step, making sure everything is crystal clear. Setting Chrome as your default browser is a great way to streamline your browsing experience, especially if it's your go-to tool for exploring the internet. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, take a glance at the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new tab filled with various settings that you can manage. Now, on the left side of this tab, you'll see different categories. What you need to focus on is the option called Default Browser. Click on it to reveal some options related to your browser settings. This is where you can make Google Chrome your primary portal to the World Wide Web. At this point, a section titled Default Browser will probably display a button saying Make Default. Clicking on this button is the key to setting Chrome as your default browser. However, if you're already using another browser as your default, your computer might prompt you for permission, so confirm this action if needed. This straightforward process might differ slightly if you're using a Mac. For Mac users, make sure you've followed the same initial steps to get to Chrome's settings page. When you're in the Settings tab, under the Default Browser section, you'll see a button that says Make Default. Clicking this will guide you through a few more steps specific to Mac, which usually involve going to your computer's system preferences and adjusting settings there if prompted. One handy tip before we wrap up. Sometimes you might need to restart your browser or computer to finalize any changes. So if after following the steps you don't see the expected results, a quick reboot might just do the trick. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've ensured that whenever you click a link in an email or any other application, it opens up seamlessly in Google Chrome, enhancing your browsing efficiency. Remember that having Google Chrome set as your default browser means you can take full advantage of its features, like syncing with your Google account across devices, using extensions, and receiving regular security updates. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to rewind the video if you need to revisit any steps. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with Google Chrome.